Well, they weren't very clicky. But there was more.
So, Lindsay, Susie, Lindsay is your name. What do you think about your previous remote?
They weren't too clicky.
But there's the remote. Now let's stop by at my house and see what it's like with my wife trying to find that little cute remote. Shucks. What's wrong, honey?
I can't find a remote.
Oh, well, I think I found her right here. Look at that puny old thing. I got something better. Oh, it's awesome. With every purchase of every remote, you get a free giraffe. I bet you're wondering why we got these giraffes to come with them. Because you can use them as armrests to rest your arms.
It's broken.
Well, don't worry. They're replaceable. And with every replacement, you get a free pirate hat. That's a deal. But wait, what about our son?
You get a Lunchable.
That's awesome. Well, also, these things can be used at your local churches for your local cakewalks. Go. Guys, stop. Okay. I'm going to call a number. 4. No. I won! Thank you! It's awesome! Call 1-800-REMOTE for the kingdom of the world for everyone, if you really want one now.